Prioritize oily fish to mitigate genetic heart disease risk. New research confirms that adequate omega-3 intake significantly lowers heart disease risk, especially for those with a family history of cardiovascular problems. A large-scale international study, published in Circulation, analyzed data from over 40,000 individuals, revealing a clear correlation between low omega-3 levels and increased risk of heart attack, stroke, and other cardiac events. The link between genetics and omega-3s, the study's key finding, is that people with a family history of heart disease who also have low levels of omega-3 fatty acids face a 40% higher risk of developing cardiovascular disease. However, maintaining sufficient omega-3 levels through diet or supplementation reduces this risk to 25%. This suggests that for genetically predisposed individuals, prioritizing oily fish is not just beneficial, but potentially life-saving. Why omega-3s matter: the human body cannot produce omega-3 fatty acids on its own, making dietary intake or supplementation essential. Researchers used direct fatty acid measurements instead of relying on self-reported diet, ensuring a more accurate assessment of omega-3 consumption. This is important because omega-3s directly impact inflammation, blood clotting, and other key cardiovascular functions. Low levels weaken these protective mechanisms, increasing vulnerability to heart disease. The study highlights that genetic predisposition amplifies this vulnerability, making consistent omega-3 intake even more critical. Best sources of omega-3s to maximize your intake: incorporate these oily fish into your diet. Salmon, sardines, anchovies, herring, trout, pilchards, whitebait, mackerel, tuna. Alternatively, consider a high-quality omega-3 supplement to ensure adequate levels. Maintaining heart health is essential, particularly if you have a family history of cardiovascular issues. Prioritizing oily fish consumption or supplementation is a simple yet powerful step toward lowering your risk.